Good afternoon, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with some new topic. Today I will discuss here on this platform on my YouTube learning classes. You will see that today I will discuss median related problems. In my previous video, you will see that I have solved mean questions, missing frequency, and some other questions finding mean by different method you will see in my previous video. Here you will see that I will discuss here medians related problem and board level questions of medians. Okay, the first question I have written on the board, that is the observation 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84, 95 are arranged in ascending order. What is the value of x if the median of the data is 63? First of all, you know that what is median. Actually, the middlemost position of any data, any given information, numerical information, that is called the median. Middlemost position means which lies almost nearby central tendency, central point. Every data, every information has its central point, that is called the objective of the data, and those who move nearby the central point is called the central tendency. The movement is called the central tendency, and the factor that moves are median, modes, mean. It's like the factor. The middlemost position of any information will be this one, that is called the median. The first thing you have solved, this type of question you have solved in the 9th class. This is ungrouped data. So you have known that in ungrouped data there are two methods. First we have to find that how many terms are there. If it is even, then it is odd. So there are one method that you know. Here I came here with some easy trick, and see how I will solve this question. First of all, I will write the things. Observations are whatever be the observation, I will write 29, 32, 48, 50. Now x plus 2, 72, 78, 84, now 95. No need to count the things. First, what you did, just eliminate this. First term is here and first one is here. Eliminate second of this one, second of this one. Eliminate second of this side, second of this side, third of this side, fourth of this side, fourth of this side. This is the. Now here you see that in the middlemost position there are two terms, two items are there. So as those two items, median will be, here median will be x plus 2 divided by 2. This is the median. Both sum of 2 divided by 2 will be the median. What is the median? Median is given here, that is 63. So write 63. Now x plus x is 2x, 2x plus 2. Now 63 is equal to 2 common x plus 1 divided by 2. 2 cancel out. 63 minus 1 is equal to x. So x will be 62. This is the value of x. Through this method you can find the value of x. This will be really very easy and fun for you. It will be very easy. Okay, these types of method will be very easy and useful to you. Here suppose x will not come, then I will say that suppose this term will not be come in the middlemost position. So in that case we will just put median is equal to x plus 2 is equal to median is equal to x plus 2. So x will be the 63 minus 2. If only one item live in the middle position, then you have to just write that term and compare with the median. This is the method. Now I will solve the method of the mean. I will find the median of group data. Let's see how I will find. Student, this is question number 2. Here I will find the mean by mean of group data. Sorry, median of group data. This will be the question. Here I will find median. So first of all, in median you have to find the cumulative frequency. Finding median, first of all you need to find cumulative frequency, that is the short form is CF, cumulative frequency. The first term of this here, the first term will be the 5. First number will be the 5 because here above 1, above of this nothing is there, so I will put 5. The second term will be 50 plus 5, 20. Now third will be 20 plus 25, 45. Fourth will be 65. 65 plus 7, 72. 72 plus 8, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. When you will add all of them, it will be 90 because this term and this term will be equal. This is the minimum criteria. So after that, put this term as n. Here the total n is 90. So n by 2 will be 45. You need 5 items to find the median of any group data. You need 5 things. The first one will be this one. Second one will be the lower limit of median class. So first I will find the median class. Which one will be the median class? Say here 45. So first of all I will check that is 45 is there. If 45 is there, then I will take the 45. And otherwise, if 45 is not there, then I will take the upper one. So this is the thing. Here you can take the 45 also and also take the 65. So here 45 is there, so I will median class will be 40 to 60. So as per this one, lower limit that is called L will be 40. Frequency of this class interval, that is F will be 25. Height of this class interval, that is H will be 10. Now cumulative frequencies, CF of above of this one. So I have taken this one. So above of this one, above of 45 will be this one. So for above of 45 is 20. So above of 45 is 20. This is the thing. You need 5 things. First, half of this one. Second one, lower limit of the median class. So first I have to find the median class. So if 45 is there, then this is the median class, and the lower limit of this median class is 40. So I have written L as 40. Now second will be the frequency of this class interval, that is 25. Third will be the height of this class interval, that is 10. Fourth will be this one, above of CF of this above residing. If you will not know it, then try to find the चेस खेलने के लिए आप सोचिए. तो देखिए चेस में जैसे घोड़ा चलता रहेगा वैसे हम चलेंगे 1, 2 एंड अढ़ाई. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द मीडियन क्लास यू विल स्टार्ट एंड try to step 2.5 step. So 1, 2 and then half. 1, 2 and half. 1, 2 and half. So this will be the thing. Either you have to get just where you have taken the mark, just above one will be the CF. If this is not be in your mind, then keep this in mind. That is you have to take 2.5 steps from the median class. So 1, 2 and half. This will be the 20. This is the 5 things you need. So here first one is this one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. Now the formula of median. Median is equal to L plus H under bracket n by 2 minus CF divided by H. Okay. Now L will be the 40, H will be the 10, n by 2 will be the 45. Now CH will be 20 divided by F, 25. So 40 plus 20, 40 plus 10 divided by 25 divided by 25. So that this is 40 plus 10, that will be the 50. median is the 50. This is the question. Okay. Now median is 50. This will be your answer. So median. So final answer will be written as median is equal to 50. This will be the my answer. This is the method of finding the median. See, this is the second question of finding median. The question is this one. CI 1 to 5, 6 to 10. So here you can see that the CI has given in the inclusive form. In that 1 and 5 both are included in this section. So first of all we have to convert this into exclusive form. So converting into exclusive form is very easy. Only you need to do that. First of all, just subtract 0.5 in the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So subtracting 0.5 from 1 will be 0.5. The actual CI will be 0.5 to 5.5. Adding 0.5 here. So here is the gap is not the 5. Gap becomes the 5. So I will start from 5.5 to 10.5. Now with this gap I will write till 45.5. So 10.5 to 15.5. Now 15.5 to 20.5. 20.5 to 25.5. 25.5 to 30.5. 30.5 to 35.5. 35.5 to 40.5. Now 40.5 to 45.5. This is the CI of exclusive form. Now I will write the FI. FI will be 7. Now 10, 16, 32, 24, 16, 11, 5, 2. Now CF. First of all, in median, in all cases you have to find the CF. First of all. So first we will find the CF. So here see this one. 7. Above 1 of 7 is nothing is there. So I will write 7 first. Now I will add diagonally 10 plus 7, 17. 17 and 16. 33. 33 and 32, 65. 65 and 24, 89. 89 and 16, 105. 105. 105 and 11, 160. Now 116 and 5, 121. Now 121 and 2, 123. So if I will add all of them, it will be also 123. So I have find that n is equal to 123. So what will be the value of n by 2? It will be 123 divided by 2. That is 2 6 the 12, 2 1 the 61.5. So n by 2 is 61.5. Now I will find the median class. So here 61 is not there, so slightly above of the 61 is 65. So I have marked this one. Now the class interval of this 65 will be median class. So median class will be 15.5 to 20.5. So lower limit of this class interval is 15.5. Height of this class interval is 5. Frequency of this class interval is 32. Now CF of above, that is 33. Now this one, CF of above is 33. So I need 5 things to find the mean. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5 over Now I will write the formula. Median is equal to L, L then H, H then N by 2, N by 2 then CF, and then CF divided by X. This is the formula. So L is 15.5, H is 5, N by 2 is 61.5 minus 33 divided by F is 32. So first of all you need to find the, so first subtract bracket, the solution will be from bracket side. So 5, now subtract 61.5 minus 33, 61.5 minus 33, 0, 5, 11 minus 3, that is 8, 11 minus 3 is 8, then 5 minus 3 is 28.5, 28.5 means 280 divided by 32 into 10, so 5 to the 10, now come to this side. So median will be, median that will be 15.5 plus 285 divided by 64. So 15.5, when you will divide it will be 4.45. So 15 plus 4, 19.95, that will be the median. Okay, this will be the median. You need to find the median mode up to 2 decimal point. Up to 2 decimal point you need to find. So thank you. I am just concluding myself here. In my next video you will see that I will find the missing frequency with the help of median. Till that, have a good day, take care. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you.